Hi VPK class. So today we're going to be doing a fun project for springtime. So here in front of me I have my paintbrush, scissors, paint, stapler, and water. So I already started a little bit by taking my scissors and cutting lines in between so I can create a petal. Next, I'm going to dip my paintbrush in the water just so I can have it a little bit wet, and I'm going to start painting my petals whatever color I want. So the first one I chose was purple. I'm just going to dab it in there just to mix it in because I want a light purple, you know, for spring. And I start painting my petals. All right. I'm trying to create a little bit of a pattern. So just like that. Now I want to use yellow. So I'm gonna dip my yellow, like a light yellow, I guess. And next I'm going to use blue. You can use whatever color you choose. These are the colors of my choice. And then I'm just going to use yellow again because I like yellow. I'm going to use yellow again. So I'm using white and yellow just so I can make a lighter shade of yellow because I'm going for like spring colors, and like spring is like more light yellow, light purple. So once I'm done with my petals, I'm just going to clean my brush because now I have to do the middle of the flower, which is going to be brown. So once you're done painting, just like this, once you're done painting, you're gonna take your popsicle stick, and you can either use, I use a stapler, but you can either use a hot glue gun, and you can staple your popsicle stick to your paper plate, and then you can just let it rest to dry. Make sure the child is not doing it alone with your parents, okay? And that's it. Bye.